Niago My Dear Cat, Ireland, 2021. Once upon a time, in this wooden spoon cottage, there lived a man called Colin. One day, Colin's friend gave him a kitten. Colin called him Niago and told him, "Look at that tree. It's a fairy tree. Don't touch it." One full moon night, Niago heard lovely music near the fairy tree. Niago saw in the moonlight some little people dancing around the fairy tree. It was all so joyful. So Niago joined them and he danced with the little people. Niago was a very musical cat. One day, Niago saw a big notice in the village. He knew that his master Colin was longing to own cows. So Niago had a good idea. He would teach Colin Irish dancing, and if he won the competition, he would get 2 cows as a prize. Niago's mother was a famous Irish dance champion, so Niago was able to teach his master Colin how to do Irish dancing. After just 1 week of hard training, Colin won first prize. Oh, what a joy! His dancing was greatly appreciated. And Colin received those cows as first prize. Of course, Niago received 2 fish for being such an excellent dance teacher. Now Colin owned milking cows. He could start a small business making butter and cheese. Niago's good friends, the little people, they came to help Colin with his business. They gave him some special green powder, which had the taste of shamrock. So, shamrock butter and shamrock cheese were born. Both are very tasty. People like them very much. If you want to taste, go to Colin's little shop near the mountain. All are welcome.